Hello, my name is Michael Harris from Team North with geocaching.com, and today I'm going to show you Grundy Canyon, Cascading Waterfall. Here we go. All that way there's no water flow, and now I'm finally getting up in by the waterfall a little more, and the water, you start to see it on top now. Like I said, a lot of people can come into Grundy Canyon, and if you don't know how to get to the waterfall, you'll never see it because it's not in the main canyon, it's its own area. And there's a nice rock outcrop that contributes to all this wonderfully unstable rock in these creeks and tributaries. Much fun, but they are neat. Now let's go in. I have a feeling this video is going to be a little jumpy, with me always falling over trying to hold this. And there we go, we're starting to get into the waterfall area here. A little more water flowing, because from here, you know, it disperses into different areas, and now it's more concentrated. Or the big jams. It wasn't too long ago, there was quite a bit of water. I'd like to have tried to get out here earlier, but I couldn't. It's starting to get a little bit of a canyon walls going on here. So, step up into the falls here. Oh, you can actually, it's actually really nice and cool right in here. It's pretty nice. Someone stacked a pile of rocks in here. There's someone playing quite a bit in there actually. Another froggies jumping in the water here. Having a little too much fun. Apparently the mosquitoes weren't biting them, and I wouldn't have found time to do that. And that's why this place is more popular in the fall and in the spring, because boy, it is, the mosquitoes do get bad in here. They're all right today. They're not too bad. I've been in here when they've been much, much worse. Oh, I can see the waterfall. Yep, you can just see it right there. So let's go and check it out. And a good little flow, at least. I've been here, we had a drought for 5 or 6 years, and there was nothing out here coming down. It's been a pretty good wet year at times, so there's a little bit of water coming down. Otherwise there could be quite the torrent coming down when it rains. Oh, almost fell. And there it is. Grundy Canyon, Cascading Waterfall. And it's really neat when it's really flowing heavy. But you know what? I think it's pretty neat when it's like this too, because when it comes flying off of there, you know, it misses all the rocks, which is cool too, but it is kind of neat this way. I hope you enjoyed this small section of Grundy Canyon, the Cascading Waterfall. And if you'd like a full guided tour, please contact me at bluehillstours.com. See you on the trail and have fun.